Today, we're going to talk about La Nina and El Nino. And, what does that, typically spell for our weather here during the wintertime months in northeast Mississippi? Well, let's look at El Nino first. El Nino basically is where the jet stream is farther south that sets up with cooler temperatures for a good portion of the southern United States. Because if you think about it, we get more rain in the wintertime months. You can see weather than normal for a good portion of the South United States. Clouds are going to be locked in if you have a lot of rain. That's going to keep the temperatures below average. So that's why we typically see cooler than average temperatures with an El Nino in our wintertime months. El Nino are also the years that we do get our really good, decent snows here in northeast Mississippi. Now, let's talk about La Nina. La Nina basically is where the jet stream is further north, up near the Great Lakes region, but warmer than average temperatures for the south, southeast, deep south, the southwest United States. And that also, sadly, leads to below average precipitation. You can see a good portion of the southern United States with below average precipitation. Now, we are currently in a drought here in northeast Mississippi, and some other parts of the country are. This is not going to help our drought. It's just going to make it worse as we go into the wintertime months. Now, another thing with La Nina that we do see is we do see some snows here and there, but we do get way more severe weather than we do with La Nina, or we do with La Nina than we do El Nino. We do get some severe weather with El Nino, but we get a lot more, probably double the amount of severe weather with a La Nina than we do El Nino. And what are we, expected to see here for the next 3 months? This is November, December, and January, released from NOAA and the Climate Prediction Center. We are again looking at above average temperatures for a good portion of the south and southeast United States. So that's going to lead to more severe weather. So we're going to be in that La Nina pattern I was talking about. But how are we looking precipitation-wise? Could we see more rain? Could we be more dry? And sadly, it is spelling below average precipitation for a good portion of us. Now, closer to the Mississippi or Tennessee, Alabama state line, you could see maybe a little bit of near average precipitation, but the consensus is that we will see drier than average rainfall and precipitation chances than we normally see for the wintertime months. So, of course, we will get some snows. We'll also get some severe weather, too.